Are you a YouTube creator looking for your 1099 tax documents? This guide will help you locate them for both AdSense revenue and brand deals. For AdSense revenue, Google issues a Form 1099 MIS-C if your ad earnings exceed $600 in the previous year. To find your AdSense 1099, log into your AdSense account at adsense.google.com, navigate to Payments, then Tax Forms, where you can view and download your 1099 MISC as a PDF. For brand deals, if you earned over $600, the brand will issue a Form 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation. If these payments were processed through YouTube's asset monetization, like Asset Deals or YouTube Select, you can find these documents in YouTube Studio under Monetization, Payments, and Tax Documents. If the brand paid you directly, you'll need to contact them for the 1099 NEC or check your IRS Get Transcript online account at irs.gov to view filed forms. Here are examples of the forms: 1099 MISC for AdSense and 1099 NE for brand deals. Remember, it's crucial to keep track of all income sources, as YouTube does not combine AdSense and brand deal forms. Now that you've located your 1099s, let's discuss what they mean and the future of creator taxes. A 1099 form reports non-employment income to the IRS. For AdSense, this is typically royalty income, while brand deal income is usually for services. Keep in mind the $600 threshold. If you earned more, you'll receive a 1099. Be aware of rising hybrid earnings requiring integrated tax tracking, increased automation with AI tax tools, regulatory trends that are expanding IRS programs targeting creators, and the EU's Digital Services Act, potentially auto-reporting creator earnings. Even MrBeast faced audits for underreported sponsorship income, emphasizing the importance of thorough tracking. As the creator economy grows, expect more automation and standardization in tax reporting, but also be vigilant about cybersecurity risks like phishing. Stay informed, maintain thorough records, and consider professional tax advice to ensure compliance.